The graph of y equals f of t is shown below over the interval t between 0 and 10. We want to determine an estimate for the integral from 0 to 2 of f of t dt. Well, that's going to be the area of this trapezium, just here. So the parallel sides are of height, I'm going to say that's 3 and 4, distance between them is 2, so that's going to be a half the sum of the parallel sides times the distance between them, so that's going to give us 7. On the axes below, sketch the graph of y equals f of x for x between 0 and 10, where f of x is the integral from 0 to x of f of t. Well, we already know that it's going to be 0 here. We'll worry about the scale on the axis shortly. The maximum area must come here, because after that, or the maximum, when I say area, I mean the maximum value of this integral must come there, because after that it's going to start evaluating to a negative value, which is going to start cancelling with this. So when we get to 8, this is a triangle with base 8 and height 4. So a half times 8 times 4 is 16. So if we use 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, so if that's 16, then we know that the maximum is just there. And at 2 we know it's 7, so that's 2, 4, 6, so that's just around there. So we should label this perhaps like so. Now I reckon this is going to be a curve, and it's going to start curving down there. I think we should work out what it is at 10. So the area of that, half of 2 times 1, so the area of this one is 1. And so that's going to have come down to 15, isn't it? Because it's going to be 16 take away 1. So that's going to be just about there. Maybe one other point somewhere would do this for us. So let's look at when it's 4. So the parallel sides then would be 2 plus 4, and the distance between them would be 4, half of that. So that's going to be 6, 3 times 4, which is 12. So that's about there, and I might actually go for 6 as well. If we go to 6, that's going to be 1 plus 4 for the parallels, multiplied by 6, half that, so that's 5 times 6, 30, half that's 15. So it's going to be a curve that goes something like this.